When you finish your That's Me activity, you are going to click the share button up here and a box will pop up like this, and down at the bottom I need you to click change link to Carsonville Port Sanilac Schools. So you click right here. Once that is done, a blue done button will come up right here and you go ahead and click that. Please do not share this with me in Google. I would like you to turn it in on Canvas. So in order to do that, once you have changed that to Carsonville Port Sanilac Schools, you go back to your assignment, the That's Me activity where you got it from. And let me go back to student view here. So it looks like your screen. Okay, so the That's Me activity, open it up, you click Submit Assignment, and this pops up down here and you're going to put the website URL. So in order to get that on your assignment that you've put your pictures in, you've put your goals, all of that stuff, you're going to click here and hit Control C. Then in the website URL box here to turn it in Canvas, you hit Control V and then go ahead and click the Submit Assignment button. And that's all you need to do in order to turn this assignment in. So if you have already turned this into me or shared it with me, I need you to go back and click this share button and change that link down there to Carsonville Port Sanilac Schools. Otherwise, I cannot open up your assignment.